Hello, Assalamu alaikum to my viewers and welcome back to my YouTube channel. How are you all? Hope you all are fine and good. Today in this video, I bring some latest ideas of different flower wall decor hanging ideas that you can create easily. These sort of decorative ideas to create or decorate your walls with the most unique and creative crafts. It also refreshes your house with some fresh flowers if you want to create these ideas. You can also create different paper flower decoration garlands idea to decorate different events or create a backdrop for your different events you want to like it for your favorite colors, or you can use some fresh flowers. If you are a new viewer to my channel and watching my video for the very first time, do subscribe my channel, press the bell icon, and you will receive all the updates regarding my new and previous videos. So viewers, don't go, stay with me and watch this video till the end. I hope you will love this collection and enjoy this video. In this video, I bring some latest ideas of different flower decor wall hanging ideas that you can easily create these sort of decorative arrangements to make your home decor ideas more unique. By creating these sort of decorative ideas, you can create any of these decorations with some fresh flowers, or using some recyclable craft idea. You can create different hangings with the mason jars or wine bottles to make your home decor more unique. You can also display some flower decoration ideas with the macrame wall hangings to make it more unique and different from others. Viewers, as you have seen in this video, you can pick up any of the idea according to your own requirement and likings. You can create different colorful flower decoration or hangings by using different macrame hangers. Wooden sticks can be used to create a hanging with these flowers. You can wrap these flowers or hang these flowers in hanging by tying it with some wooden stick ideas. You can also create different wall hanging ideas with a tree branch, or create different hangings through it. Different colorful flowers can also be used, like different roses can be used by placing it in mason jars. You can create different floral hoop wreath decoration ideas to hang different corners of your houses on your walls. You can decorate your bedrooms with it, or you can create different living room decoration ideas from it. I hope you will enjoy this video and love this collection. I will remind you again, if you are a new viewer to my channel and watching my video for the very first time, do subscribe my channel, press the bell icon, and you will receive all the updates regarding my new and previous videos. Viewers, your response and positive feedback motivates me to bring some new ideas and collection for you. So if you have any requests, do mention in the comment section, and if you have any questions or queries regarding this video, you can also mention it in the comment section. I will answer all your questions and queries in the comment section and fulfill all your requests. I hope you will enjoy this video and love this collection. If you like it, please share it on different social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram. It helps me to grow my channel, and it also encourages me to bring latest and creative ideas for you. So viewers, keep sharing my video, keep supporting me like this. Thank you.